The day has left me weary, Lord. So many battles on my mind, but when I call upon your name, I find a peace no world can give. The noise around me fades away. Your gentle voice calms every fear. You hold my heart within your hands and remind me you are near. When the darkness fills the sky, I lift my eyes to you. Jesus, be my peace tonight. Hold me in your loving light. When my heart is overwhelmed, be my refuge, be my strength. Oh, Jesus, calm the storm inside. Walk beside me through the night. I will rest within your grace. Jesus, be my peace tonight. Jesu, yanetane rwendo huru, nemitoro yandino takura, asipandino dana zitarenyu, moyo wangu no wana zororo. Every fear melts away in your presence. Kanandanzwa inzwire nyuri chitaura, munondi batane maoko erudo, muchindiratiza kuti muri pejo. Kanarima razaza denga, mesomba nusimudzwa kwa muri. Jesus, be my peace tonight. Hold me in your loving light. Kana moyo wangu waremerwa, iva inarene simba langu. Jesus, calm the storm inside. Walk beside me through the night. Ndichazorora munyasha zenyu. Jesu, iva rugare rwangu usiku uno. Muri ntare yangu yakasimba, muri riorwe moyo wangu, muri mupolesi wandino vimba naye, kuva kare kushika nasi. Muri nyarazo yangu ishe, muri mutungamiri wangu, hashvineine zvichau ya mangwana, dinoziva muri baruti virwangu. You are my peace when storms arise. You are my hope through every trial. I will not fear, for you are with me. You are the light that guides my way. You are my peace, my hiding place. You are my strength, my saving grace. Jesu ninozorora mamuri, nokusinga peri, nokusinga peri. Jesus, be my peace tonight. Hold me in your loving light. When my heart is overwhelmed, be my refuge, be my strength. Jesus, calm the storm inside. Walk beside me through the night. Ndichazorora munyasha zenyu. Jesu, iva rugare rwangu usiku uno. Jesus, be my peace tonight. Jesus, ndichazorora munyasha zenyu. Jesu, iva rugare rwangu usiku uno. Ndinoisa zvinondiremera patsoka dzenyu, ndichizorora murudo rwenyu. Jesus, be my peace tonight. I know you'll never leave my side. Jesu, iva rugare rwangu usiku uno. Amen, amen, amen.